beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and coming back to see your girl. If you are new here, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I promise you we will have fun. We're going to do some wig reviews and I will try to keep you entertained. Okay, so let's jump right in with today's video. This video is brought to you by ReadyWig. Thank you so much for reaching out to me and asking me to do this wig review. I'm going to get right into the package they sent me and unbox it with you all. So let's get started. Okay, so when you first open the package, this is the box that you see. It has their logo on the front, very cute. And we're just gonna open it up. And this is what it's looking like. It says, I love that we met and I hope you enjoy the hair. Oh, isn't that cute? So we have a wig cap in here. We have a card with some hair care instructions. And we also have a little spray bottle for the hair. I guess you can put some water or detangler or whatever you would like to for the wig. And this is what the hair is looking like. So that was everything in the box. How do I take this hair net off? Like, they really got it in here good. Okay, so this is what the wig is looking like. Really pretty, very soft. It feels really, really nice. It feels like human hair. This is a synthetic unit. It is a 13x6 frontal space. So you have a lot of parting options. The lace is a very light brown. Comes with baby hairs. And inside the cap we have 4 combs. You have 2 on the side in the front. You have 1 in the back. And then you have 1 kind of like in the middle. And adjustable straps. So let's try on this wig and see if she is big hair friendly, shall we? Very, very cute. Oh, and it even has some lace in the back. I forgot to mention that. It does come with lace in the back. So if you want to put it up, you do have that option to glue it down in the back too. So this is what the unit is looking like straight on my head without doing anything. Oh, it is very, very roomy, you guys. Very roomy. So if you have a big head like me, this unit got you covered, okay? It's spacious up in here. I might even have to like tighten these straps or something. Wow, I never have room. It's always fitting me snug. This hair is like really, really pretty. It feels, I'm telling y'all, this is a synthetic unit. I know what I picked. Okay, it was synthetic, but it feels like some bundles for real. And y'all see the density. The density is amazing. Wow. You do get a very nice parting space when it says it's a 13x6 frontal. They actually do give you a lot of parting options with this unit. You see, I'm just like moving the comb wherever and finding parting space. Okay, now let me cut the lace and style her and I'll be back. Okay, so as y'all can see, I cut the lace. Those are my real edges right there. I did not cut off all the lace, so y'all may see some up there still and over to about here. I did leave it like in the middle of my head because I'm going to attempt to melt that lace. Y'all, I'm gonna let y'all know right now. The frontals are not my forte. So I just wanted to pop in really quick and say that this was really my first time like trying to lay down a frontal unit and like trying to melt lace. So I definitely went OD with the baby hairs. Like I already know like I did not need to have all of that on my forehead, but like I was trying to like hold it down and hold it in place. So just ignore that, you guys. Like, it's my first one. I definitely overdid it. So you guys, that's just about everything that I did to this hair. I did think it was really pretty and I love the curl pattern. I did bring this hair with me to Jamaica and I wore it there without the exaggerated baby hairs, and I liked it a lot better. So I will insert some pictures of when I wore it on vacation. And if you are interested in purchasing this hair, then I do have a coupon code. So please see the description box below. If you just use my name, DeAnna, at checkout, you can receive 8% off your products. So shout out again to ReadyWig for not only sending me this unit, but also giving me a coupon code to share with you guys. And all of the details will be in the description box below. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.